Hi, everyone. Right now I'm going to show you an app. It is called Speed Painter. It used to be around, but a couple of months ago it disappeared. But it was a fun app. So, I'm going to show you with this image right here. So, I'm just going to put this over here. Well, I'm going to go over and say, I want apps. And I am going to write in Speed Painter, and it's right there. Okay, and come on. There we go. It has a little doggy on the front. Okay. And there's a couple things that we can do with this. It's just a fun one. It's not really going to help you with your design or anything like that. But it's something fun that if you do art or anything like that, you can put it on your website. You can share it in social media. I mean, it's kind of cool. I'm going to probably share the video of it. Okay, so the sketch duration, it goes 3 seconds, 1 second, 5 seconds. Let's do five. And then I always like the color one, so I always keep that, but you don't have to. You can just do that and it will just do the lines. And let's see here, color, let's do five. Okay. And of course, I want the hands effect. You don't have to have it. So let's generate that. It's going to generate the video. Okay, so got the video. So I'm going to add it to the design so we can look at it. Sorry, so much extra noise right now. All right, so move this down a little bit. Get some of this bigger, and let's play. This is cool. And you can do this with any image. Um, yeah, try it out. That's fun, huh? Okay. All right, you guys, thank you very much and enjoy. If you want to show me your speed painting designs, pop them in. All right, thank you.